Charging the battery. It says about 45 minutes for a charge. The first time you're charging it, you might want to charge it a little bit longer. You got to learn with all batteries, although they don't say it, there's memory. So the first time you use the battery, you want to have it fully charged and you want to drain the battery till it's fully dead. Some say that's not good, but that's what I've been taught. All right, while you're charging it, the LED colors: standby, all green, red, charging; blue, abnormal charging; balanced charging is it's green, red, green, red. And then when it's all green, it's fully charged. Battery warnings, just explained it. You must only use the charger provided, and it says do not overcharge the battery. So this says about 45 minutes. The first time you see it turn green, unplug it, let it cool off, plug it back in one more time, wait till it turns solid green again, and then it's fully charged. It takes about 20 minutes for the battery to cool down. Wait a half hour, an hour to be safe. Replug it in, let it go to full charge, and you're good to go.